Looking at this temperature T4, that is the temperature of air exiting the turbine, we know that this is at higher temperature than this T2. T2, that is the air coming out from this compressor. Now this energy can be used up to preheat this air exiting this compressor by using a heat exchanger. So this is called as recuperator or regenerator or just heat exchanger. Now if you preheat the air that is entering into the combustion chamber, then you can save the fuel also in the combustion chamber. Now see the TS diagram. 1 to 2, that is compressor. 1 to 2, the air is compressed. 2 to 5, the temperature is increased from T2 to T5 using this regenerator, that is heat exchanger. So this is from the exhaust gas. This is called as Q regenerated. That helps to increase the temperature of this air from T2 to T5. Now from 5 to 3, that is combustion chamber. This is the heat input to the combustion chamber. And 3 to 4, it is in the turbine, the air is expanded. When it reaches the temperature T4, in the heat exchanger, that temperature T4 is reduced to T6. That means that much energy is fed to or given to the air coming from this compressor. That means the air temperature T6 is decreased, T4 is decreased from T4 to T6, and this is the Q saved. And 6 to 1, this much energy is given to the atmosphere, which is the wastage of energy. Now remember, T4 should be higher than T2, then only we can use this regenerator. Otherwise, there will be a reverse flow. That happens when the gas turbine engine is operating at high pressure. So there is a reverse flow. Now we see effectiveness of heat exchanger. So Q generated, that is actual. This is the actual temperature that is increased from T2 to T5. So this is Q generated, that is H5 minus H2. But you see, if the effectiveness of this heat exchanger is very high, that is 1, exactly 1, then the air that is coming out of this compressor will be heated till 6 also. Using such a high effectiveness heat exchanger should justify the Q saved. The price tag for this heat exchanger should not be more than this heat saved. Q ideal is equal to, which is the limiting case, that is H4 minus H2, and the ratio of this one, that is Q regenerated actual divided by Q regen ideal, that is equal to T5 minus T2 by T4 minus T2 by using the cold air standard assumptions. So Cp value I have taken out, which is a constant. The effectiveness of heat exchanger I have already discussed. The Qs, heat supplied, is equal to Cp T3 minus T5, heat supplied, that is T3 minus T5, and heat rejected is T6 minus T1. Now the limiting case, for ideal case, ideal cycle, this is equal to Cp T3 minus T4, that is T5 will become T4 in the limiting case, and T6 also becomes T2 in the limiting case. So actually this T6 is bit higher than this T2. Now in the limiting case, T6 becomes equal to T2. In the place of T6, I use T2 minus T1. Now the efficiency of this cycle is equal to 1 minus QR by QS, that is QS minus QR by QS, work output minus heat input, and this is equal to 1 minus T2 minus T1 by T3 minus T4. I multiply this T2 with T1 by T1, and here also I multiply this T3 with T4 and T4 by T4. Now this is equal to 1 minus small t T1, that is T2 by T1 is equal to small t, T1 minus T1, then T3 by T4 is equal to small t, so small t into T4 minus of T4, T minus 1, that is common, or T1 is taken common, and the rest of the term is T minus 1, Here also T4 is common and the rest of the term is T minus 1. This will get cancelled out. This is equal to 1 minus T1 by T4. Now this is same because we know T2 by T1 is equal to T, or T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T4. We know that is same. Again I multiply this term with T3, and here also in the numerator I multiply with the T3. Now T3 by T4 I have written it here, and I have taken this T1 to the numerator of this T3. So T3 by T1, and that is equal to 1 minus T3 by T4 is actually P3 by P4 gamma minus 1 by gamma for isentropic process. So this is the pressure ratio Rp gamma minus 1 by gamma divided by beta, which is the ratio of highest temperature and the lowest temperature, and that is equal to 1 minus Rp gamma minus 1 by gamma by beta. So this is the expression for eta thermal for regenerated cycle.